The first three terms of an arithmetic sequence are -4, -2.5 and -1. What is the 32nd term of this sequence, and what is the sum of the first 100 terms? Well, the first thing to realise is that an arithmetic sequence is that they go up or go down by the same amount each time. That's called the common difference. So, an arithmetic progression or sequence, -4, -2.5, -2, has the first term of -4 and the common difference, D, which will be the second term, which is -2.5 minus the second term. So be careful, we've got negatives here. So -2.5 minus -4 gives you 1.5. So actually, this sequence is actually increasing. So any term of an arithmetic sequence can be found by doing the first term plus n-1 times the common difference. So substituting in, we want the 32nd term, which is the first term, plus 31 minus 1 times the common difference, which is 1.5, which is going to give me -4 times 32 minus 1 is 31 times 1.5, and that will give me 42.5. The sum of an arithmetic sequence is n over 2 times the first term plus n-1 times d. So that will be the sum of the first 100 terms, which will be 100, because n is now 100, divided by 2, which is 2 times -4, plus 100 minus 1 times my common difference, which is 1.5. So that will give me 50 times -8, 2 times -4, 99, 100 minus 1 times 1.5, and that will give me 7,025. So this has been a video to show you how to find a particular term of an arithmetic sequence and the particular sum of the same arithmetic sequence. So I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.